the Soundcore Life A2 NC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Soundcore Life A2 NC, which features noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, Type-C charging cable, and an assortment of earwings and ear tips. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 35 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, 11mm drivers, app integration, ANC, transparency, and EQ, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The design is similar to the Liberty 2 and Pro earbuds. The case has a matte finish and has a slim profile. And on the top, you have the branding and logo. On the front of the case, you'll find the status LED lights. The bottom and the back, you'll find the pairing button and USB-C charge port. The case has a clamshell design and it opens and closes smoothly. The lid is magnetic and it has a nice snap to it. Earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case, and you can see the glossy finish along with the ear indicators inside. The earbuds do have a larger design. The inside face has a glossy base towards the ear tips, and you have the ear markings inside as well. On the outer face, you'll see some accenting around the microphone and the touch control surface. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips and earwings, charging contacts, microphones, touch control, and LED. Here they are side by side. Toggling playback and call controls is just a few taps to get the desired function. To toggle the noise cancellation, just hold for 2 seconds. As mentioned earlier, these have app integration. Once connected, you can see the current battery levels along with toggling the noise cancellation. The noise cancellation has 3 different modes: transport, indoor, and outdoor. And you can also turn the transparency mode on and off, along with just leaving it to normal. It comes with 22 presets to choose from depending on your listening preferences. And you can also create your custom presets as well. There is also an option to customize the touch controls. And in the general settings, you'll find options to update the firmware along with the user guide. The case comes in at 2.9 by 2.3 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 56 grams, and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Lonely, turn to a savage, now my baby wants to
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Life A2 NC microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and you can use the earbuds independently left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Life A2 NC. I found them to be comfortable, and it created a good seal. They felt secure, and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. It's also important to take the time to find the correct ear tips to get the secure fit. Touch controls are a plus since they don't add additional pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. I like the slim design of the case. The earbuds will protrude out a bit once seated in your ears. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 7 hours and 35 total with the case. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to seen a better IPX rating and wireless charging. The noise cancellation on these were surprisingly good, and it canceled the surrounding sounds very well. I would have to rank these up there with some of the best that I have tried. The transparency feature worked as advertised. When toggled on, it picks up the surrounding sounds loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, all I can say is these will not disappoint. The bass comes in heavy, deep, and tight. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. It sounds crisp and has a wide soundstage. Definitely will fall on a warmer sound signature if that's what you're after. It was an enjoyable listening experience as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, I found these earbuds to be an excellent pair. The sounds delivered along with the noise cancellation features and app integration. It's feature packed for under $100 and definitely worth it in my opinion. So that is my review of the Soundcore Life A2 NC True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.